Looking after your beard can seem like a daunting task, so let's break it down to 4 easy steps. Step number 1 is proper trimming and maintenance. You need to make sure you stay on top of your cheek and necklines. Use your fingers on your cheeks to better show you if they're symmetrical. A great rule of thumb with the neckline is to start with a finger's width above the Adam's apple, then work from the centre outwards. Step 2 is keeping your beard clean for a healthy feel and appearance. A beard is at peak strength when it's pH balanced. Our products have been made specifically for facial hair because regular hair shampoo can be higher in acidity and actually strip the natural oils a beard needs. Beard shampoo will properly treat any itching, dryness and dandruff endured. Rinse through a few times a week for a thorough cleanse. Step 3 is conditioning your beard after washing it. Massage in and leave it to absorb for a minute or 2 before rinsing it out. If your beard is healthy and conditioned, then it will feel great and it will look fuller. Step 4 is moisturising. It's so important to make sure you're looking after the skin underneath your beard as well as the facial hair itself. Take a pea-sized amount of our beard moisturiser every morning. Rub it through top to bottom, softening the facial hair and smoothing it into shape. It contains aloe vera and natural oils to strengthen and protect, whilst it also reduces itchiness and any brittle hairs. If you like a shine to your beard, why not use the Murdock beard oil? This will penetrate the cuticle and give it a nice healthy sheen.